Good evening, everyone. It's almost 6 o'clock and everybody's getting ready for the shop and sip that we're having downtown Harlingen this evening. Y'all come down for some great shopping, a lot of sales going on. There's a lot of sipping and some snacking. A lot of good things going on tonight. It's not quite 6 o'clock yet. It's about 5:30, I guess. So we're even going to decorate the sidewalks with luminaries. So y'all come down. I'm just showing you a little bit of my windows. And then if y'all come down, I also have customer appreciation. There's a lot of Christmas goodies inside. There's my antique aluminum tree. But let me take you in. Those are the luminaries I need to get ready and put out. But almost the whole store has Christmas items. Vintage, antique, collectibles, Department 56. A lot of Christmas items for you all. All over. Garlands, wreaths, all kinds of things. Gingerbread people. But let me show y'all. If y'all come, you are welcome to some wine, some veggies, some grapes, some cheeses, crackers, hibiscus tea. All kinds of goodies. Okay, I had to turn down the music. We have Christmas music going, but copyright stuff. So, turned it down. But y'all come down. We also have 2 new vendors that quickly set up. Let me take you real quick through the store. I hope I don't get you dizzy. But there's Christmas throughout the store, you guys. It's starting at 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. downtown Jackson. All the stores have their own specials and goodies going on. So y'all come down and take advantage. And we appreciate your support throughout the year and the years. This is one of our new vendors. I need to turn on her lights for tonight. The tea room will be closed this evening. Here's a new vendor. She still has a lot to do, but she did as much as she could today. Beautiful things. And y'all please share and invite your friends to come on down to Jackson Street. We'll be here till 9 o'clock. Here's another new vendor. And then this vendor has the room. She's new as well. I only have one more vendor booth space available, you guys. But her room is packed. Vintage Christmas. Look, that one brand new. Never out of the box. Look at those little bubble lights. Remember those, you guys? Those are vintage and they work. Look at the little kissing angels. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we are all set up, like I said. Look at that sign. Woohoo! Texas Sesquicentennial Lone Star Beer. A lot of cute little vintage stuff, you guys. So pretty. Look at all that Christmas. She's still going to come in a little bit and finish up. She had to go get something to eat. Here's another new vendor. Really cute and romantic. Okay, you guys, so I need to get those luminaries going. Another Christmas wreath. Another little Christmas wreath. So, hope to see you soon. And like I said, customer appreciation. Come on down. Look at all these goodies waiting for you all. Awesome. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you soon, okay? Bye.